there, this is Eden from prosperinbeauty.com, and I help aspiring beautypreneurs create their first line of natural beauty products for sale and sell them profitably. So I'm here with a question of the day, and the question today is one that I get frequently, and that is, how do I find cosmetic ingredients in my country, or where I live, or whatever the case may be? And so I want to share with you a really simple hack that'll help to unlock all the bigger cosmetic ingredient suppliers in your country that work at the crafting level. Because most of you don't have factories, right, that are watching my channel and are not trying to buy like pallets of ingredients. You just want to buy a pound or two of something to make 40 or 50 bottles or something like that. And so there are sites that cater specifically to people like us, or that include people like us in their offerings in terms of the minimum quantity of anything that you can order. So the best hack I have found is to type bihydramonium methosulfate in, and then you insert the region, or really you insert the country that you're in first. And if you can't find anything in your country, go to the next country up. So let me give you an example. If I type in Google bihydramonium methosulfate in the United States, right? These are the sites that come up. So just have a look. So as you can see, there are different places that sell. Essential Wholesale came up, which is a great site. Make Your Own .buzz. I've never heard of that place. Maybe it's new. Maybe I just hadn't heard of it. Amazon, obviously, is going to come up. MakingCosmetics.com, which is a great site in the States. Also for those of you who just want to learn. Lotion Crafter, Organic Creations, Alibaba, of course, came up. So a whole bunch, like 5 or 6 places came up right away that sell a whole host of cosmetic ingredients. Okay, so those are the sites that come up, right? So then what you're gonna do is, if you're in a different country, obviously you'd replace United States with something else. I didn't even put United States in my search because I'm here, so my Google obviously knows that this is where I'm located. So, you know, that is really the trick. It unlocks a whole bunch of sites for you that are in your region. So you can plug in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Canada, France, the UK, wherever you are, and it'll unlock a whole bunch of sites. So the reason why I chose that particular ingredient is because it's a pretty common conditioning emulsifier that's used for hair conditioners. Some people will use it for lotions as well. So if a site carries that and they're selling it in small quantities, chances are they sell all the other things you need as well, humectants and preservatives, and maybe some small equipment. They might even have some carrier oils and botanicals and whatnot as well. Okay, so I hope this helped you. If you liked this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when another question of the day pops up. And if you like, you can join my newsletter. I have a free resource library that's only for my email subscribers, and you get it in the welcome letter as soon as you subscribe. All right, so and you can find all that in the description box. I hope this message finds you well, and that whatever you do, you just keep moving forward. And I cannot wait to see what you are going to whip up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.